Well, hello YouTube. This is just a continuation from the last video, but I'm doing my window switches here now. So there's just two screws here. See, as you can tell, the vehicle's running, but I have no door locks. See, this works over here, as you can see, but the driver's side don't work. And like, don't get frustrated, because I'll show you what to do, how to fix this problem. And it's actually quite simple. Like, I already took the screws out. See, you remove all these plugs here. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, I already. Okay, just wait, I'll be right back. See, as you can see now, I got everything all removed. So, and here's the problem lays right in here. Now, this is the second Canyon that I've owned, and this did the same thing every time, because I had to change the alternator in the other Canyon too that I owned, and it did the same thing. So I'll show you what to do. Don't think it's burnt out, because it's not, and I'll show you exactly what's wrong. See, I already took two screws out because I kind of forgot to show you that it didn't work. So, but anyways, there's one more screw in there, and I'll take it out, and I'll show you what to do after that. Now, after you get it out, now I got the switch out. Now, after you get it out, there's little clips right there that you got to pry open on each side. See, it's the window switch is a little dirty though, holy. But then I'll show you what to do after. Okay, I got the cover off. Now, see, it's one of these black boxes that you got to take your screwdriver and tap it. And because they must stick or something, or there must be a relay or something in it. But yeah, just take your screwdriver and actually tap them like this. Sometimes if it's cold out, you might have to take it in and warm them up, but you just kind of tap, not super hard because you might break them. So just tap them like this. Not sure which one it is, but hold this. It's a little bit hard to do this with one hand. So just take it like this, tap them, now just hook it back up to your wires. Don't worry about getting a shock. Now just hook them back up to your wires, and don't worry about getting a shock or anything, and see if it works. Got the wires all hooked up. Just kind of hold it tight just to see if it's going to work or not, and let's see. Oh, look at there. Whoops. See, back up it goes. Door locks work. Oh goodness, it's kind of hard to hold it here with one hand. Door locks, yep. See? So I hope that was a helpful tip. Now just all you have to do is put it all back together, and I'll show you exactly how to put it back together. There you have it. Done like dinner. See? I don't really understand it myself either. See, door locks work perfect. So, if you own one of these Canyons, you boost it, your window stops working, just take it apart, hit one of those black boxes, and you're fine, because these are expensive. They're like $200 or $300 a piece for these switches. So, you take 10 minutes out, and you'll save time, save a lot of grief. You do it yourself. Don't take it into a mechanic. Just be careful taking it apart. Follow the way you took it apart and put it back together the same way and everything will be fine and dandy. So, but I hope that was a helpful tip. So so my next video will probably be the misfire one. So anyways, YouTube, I hope I gave you a little hint there. So but anyways, YouTube, you guys have a good day. Okay, we'll talk to you next time. See ya.